Hey, what's up guys? So this will be a real quick video going over what Alex Gutierrez, my brother from another mother, sent. And you've already seen some of it, like the Fuji mug. So this is going to be, I have a brush soaking because I'm going to shave directly after this video. But I'm going to call this my Fuji mug. This is Mount Fuji. Yeah, it's a pretty cool mug. Like I said, it's very pretty. Rising sun. All right. So that's one thing he sent that'll be used daily. This is a lathering bowl that he sent. It's like a faux stone bowl, that type of thing. The grooves are not as deep as my black bowl, but in all honesty, this sitting on my counter is a lot prettier and a lot more pleasing. And as my wife said, it's more acceptable than my black bowl that sits up here. So this will be getting much more use than the black bowl, I'm sure, at this point, just because I don't like to keep moving things in and out of this space. So that's what we're going to be using for the shave. Again, this isn't a shave. The next video will be a shave. He also sent my bovine manure samples. So sample 1, sample 2, and sample, if I can find it. Maybe I can't. I can. It's right here, sample 3. And all these 3 samples, and I have to go and look at the email he sent, but these are MacDuff, MCDUFF, MacDuff soaps. And yeah, other than like him saying it's manure and them looking like manure, I'm not a big fan of these scents, man. I'm not. In all honesty, when I opened it up and smelled it, it may have been because I had read manure and it looked like shh, but it definitely was like a big turnoff initially. And now, like, there's like something in all of them. There's like a weirdness in all of them, and it's not a good weirdness. It's a funk. I'll call it a funk. There's a funk in every single one of these, and it's the same funk. So, I don't know, maybe it's going to differ when I lather it. I'll find out here shortly. But I'm going to use the stool sample number 2 because it's number 2, like Alex said. So that's what we're going to shave with that. Hopefully the funk goes away. I doubt it. Like I said, the same funk is in every single one of these. Number 3 is the strongest as far as the scent profile. But like, even if I could put the funk in the back of my mind and smell the scent, I'm still not a fan of any of these. So they will be used. I will use the entire sample because I'm sure it's going to be slick enough, and et cetera, to get a good shave. The scents I'm not a fan of at all. Not at all. But that's what we'll use for the next shave. Like I showed you in yesterday's video, Yuma. This is a Turkish razor. This is all that comes in this box. Turkish razor, little small thing. It says Yuma at the top. It's a 3-piece. Handle's very small. I'll kind of compare it to my little Assured razor, which is also very small. So yeah, just very simple. Honestly, very simple. I've already kind of like brushed this with some soap and warm water, so sanitized it, if you will. But yeah, just a very simple, small little. What I've read about this is that they are pretty aggressive. We'll see. I'm grabbing the Assured just to kind of show you. So, you know, I always compare these two, right? This is my Vanderhagen, this is my Assured. Obviously, the Assured is much shorter. The Yuma, smaller. Even smaller than the Assured. So, that's going to comparison. So, in the Yuma for today's shave, he sent me some blades. So, I'm going to pop these open and we'll check these out now on camera. Like I said in the other video, it like... He taped these things so darn well. All right, so let me try to like, and the tape is of course like ripping some of the packaging and whatnot. But it is what it is. We'll be able to see. It's okay. Let's see. I had to use a razor blade to cut the tape to get to the razor blades. Well, we're completely destroying these packages. You're gonna probably laugh at this. Check this out. It was like wrapped around the outside of these, and it just kind of pulled them apart. Okay, so what can we see here? So we have Gillette Wilkinson, a sword saloon pack, 10 plus 1 free. That's this one that doesn't have a face any longer. Apparently that's stainless. 5 safety razor blades. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Tiger Platinum. That's one of these. The other ones still have a face. So, oh, there's more tape. Darn. All right, cool. I just ripped off the other half. So we have Astra Blues. Oh, that's what I'm using today. That's what I'm using. I've only used Astra Greens. Definitely want to try the Astra Blues. Cool. And then, like I said, this is the Wilkinson sword with no face. We'll definitely try those because I don't have those. Nassets. So this is something that I believe Aleks said he would send quite a while back. But Nassets. I have not used Gillette Nassets yet. I mentioned them in a couple videos ago too. So, shoot. Do I want to use the Astras or the Nassets? Let's go with the Nassets. Nassets, Nasset, whatever. That's what we're going to shave with today. So I'm kind of like, as I'm showing you guys what I received from Aleks, I'm kind of building my next shave up. And then, like I said, the Tiger Platinum. I don't even where are these from? What is this? Manufactured by Czech. Blades, whatever, made in Czech Republic. Cool. All right. And here, what did he send? He sent me a little tub of, a ton of, I don't know if these are aftershaves or colognes. I think they're colognes, but he sent quite a few in here. And I have not smelled all of these. The 2 or 3 that I have smelled, absolutely awesome, dude. And they have labels on them. So I'll be looking some of these fragrances up to actually purchase. But yeah, some like I said, I haven't smelled all of them, but some of these that I've smelled, just amazing smelling. Again, I think they're colognes. I don't think that they're aftershaves. And then he said this was Vito's. It's mentholated, I know that. Vito's shaving cream or something like that. Italian shaving cream. So we'll use this in a future shave as well. Yeah, I definitely know it's mentholated. He sent this. Nivea Men's Body Shaving Maximum Hydration Protecting Shave Stick. So that's that. And it's kind of a screw off top here. And then, yeah, it's a shave stick. It's kind of like an Arco stick shoved in here. And in the next 10 years, whenever I finish this whole thing, I'm going to probably like melt down Arco sticks and put them in here and see if it works well with the, with the little lifter here. This will be used in a shave pretty soon as well. That's what I was saying yesterday. I just wish my growth would like grow back every 5-10 hours. 5 to 10 hours where I could just shave like twice a day. All right, so this one I could definitely read, right? Taylor's Cedarwood. I don't know that I'm getting cedar. I'm assuming Taylor's is a manufacturer. I've never heard of them. I'm getting like a woody note. I think there's more than just a woody note to it. But yeah, I don't get straight up cedar. I get something else. But it's a nice scent. It's a very nice, fresh scent. I think that says Winter Cabin. I really don't know. I think that says Winter Cabin. This is fruity. Yeah, I'm getting like a fruit or... Yeah. When I read Winter Cabin, I was expecting maybe like another woody type scent, but I'm getting fruit. Yeah. I'm just getting fruit. I can't pick out a specific fruit, but I'm getting a fruit scent there. I don't know what this is, man. VITI or VIFI? I don't know what that says. I can't read it. I'm sorry. But I'll tell you what the scent smells like to me. Oh, it's stuck to the top. This isn't a bad scent at all. It's just, this is kind of like a Christmas type scent to me. I think of Christmas when I smell this. I don't even know. I can't even read this. Vific CA something. I don't know why. I think of Christmas time when I smell this. I can't even tell you what the scent is. I don't know. I don't think it's fruit. I don't think it's. I don't know. And then this is birch and root, or I think that's birch and root, or bird and root. I think it's birch and root. Okay, this smells like mouthwash. Not in a bad way. I mean, mouthwash is mouthwash, the scent. Yeah, that's, I don't know what this is, dude. Birch and root. You know what I kind of get? Do you know that? Not a lot of people are going to know this, but I do, because my grandmother, when she was still with us, she would make this. They sell these little bottles like this. It's like concentrated root beer. And what you do is you get a gallon of water. You add, I don't know how much she added, maybe like a tablespoon of this concentrated root beer into the gallon, and then fill the gallon with ice and water and put it in the freezer, yada, yada, to make root beer. That's what this smells like to me. This smells like a little, because that stuff was extremely strong as far as the scent. This smells like a little weaker version of that. And then I can also like flip the switch in my mind and then also smell mouthwash. So, yeah. But no, this is not a bad scent. It's not a weird scent, because I know what I'm picking up, or I know what my nose at least is picking up to me. But it's just different, like for a shave soap, that's all. Maybe there's a little bit of menthol going on in here too. And the last thing Aleks sent were these Gillette Blue 2s. So I'll use these in a shave. We'll see how many shaves we can get, comfortable shaves. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that wording there, at least, this right here, I think that's Hebrew. I mean, I can't read it. I don't know, but I've seen, like, I think that's what that is. It says imported by Procter & Gamble, Malaysia, so maybe that's not Hebrew. I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna try these. So that's what I received from Aleks. Thank you so much, Aleks, for allowing me to. And the only reason I'm using your last name is because it's in your YouTube name, like it's Aleks Gutierrez. So that's why. But anyways, so yeah, for the following shave right after this video, I will be using the Yuma with a Nasset, or Nasset. I don't know how you say it. I think Nasset. We'll be using the number 2 manure, and we'll be lathering that in the bowl here. And as you saw in the Fuji mug, I have my little Scally boar, badger. Sorry. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you're still here. You probably aren't. We're 13 minutes, almost 14 minutes into a video that I showed you like 10 things. So I just talked a lot is essentially what happened. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll tell you that. And if you have any questions, I'll put my email down below. Just shoot me an email. Again, like, if you haven't subscribed, you don't have to. It doesn't matter. See you guys for the next shave. Be kind.